Okay, now we have looked at diffusion just now. Okay, diffusion is the movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. Now, what is the difference between diffusion and osmosis? Now, osmosis is the passage. Passage is another word for movement of water molecules from where to where? The same thing, from higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a partially permeable membrane. Now, do you see the difference there? When we talk about diffusion, it's the movement of any molecules, but still from higher to lower, still require a concentration gradient. But it doesn't need a partially permeable membrane. But in the case of osmosis, it needs partially permeable membrane. So if you look at here, the difference is water molecules. Okay, you have to remember water molecules. Higher to low concentration, the second condition, and partially permeable membrane, and that's the third condition. Whereas if you look at diffusion, it's the movement of molecules, any molecules, from higher concentration to low concentration. It doesn't need any partially permeable membrane. Alright, now, so there are these three conditions is important so that you can define osmosis. It's the passage. Okay, if you're not familiar with the word passage, you can use the word movement. The movement of water molecules from where to where? From higher concentration to lower concentration through where? Through a partially permeable membrane. Okay, so there are three things. When we say higher concentration, we are talking about higher concentration of water. Okay, to lower concentration of water. Okay, now let's look at it again. The movement of water molecules from where? From higher water concentration to lower water concentration through where? Through a partially permeable membrane. Now, what do we mean? Okay, if we have looked at the term partially permeable membrane, let's just recap. Now, a partially permeable membrane means the membrane allows some substances to pass through but not others. Okay, a dilute solution means there are more water molecules than a concentrated solution. If in our everyday language, dilute cair, more water. Okay, kalau tadi buat Milo, kalau tadi buat Milo tu pekat-pekat, okay, banyakkan Milo, serbuk Milo, kurangkan water. Tapi kalau tadi mau Milo tu cair, more water, less Milo. Okay, so what do we mean by dilute?